That man.
That's pretty lit, actually. I never seen that before.
Yeah. Oh, this shit lit. I'm about to bump some shit. Let's go outside.
Run that back, turbo.
So the tech commit.
Bands the first thing a nigga think about. Running the chain, running that mother to the mouth. Bands, first thing that I think about. Running that chain, running that mother to the mouth. He off a pill, don't know what to do. He off a pill, don't know what to do. He off the pill, got nothing to lose. He off the pill, he can't even think. I'm all these shrooms, your niggas see the room. I'm living my life, it is what it is. A lot of you niggas walk around confused. Y'all need some Jesus in your life. You might need some reefer in your life. Listen to me, I be preaching in this life. Know a nigga who just fumbled the bag. I could never ever fumble the bag. Woke up that money, I run to the bag. Know a couple niggas that just run to the ass. That shit is sad.
You gotta pay me.
Okay. I gotta wait for the beat, yo. I gotta wait for the beat. Yeah! Shit. What is poppin' YouTube? It's your boy ColWorld TV, and your boy is back with another lit banger, man. You feel what I'm saying, man? Yo, as you can see, your boy got the new whip, you know what I'm saying? Hey, yeah, you already know the vibes, man. We riding that new shit 2023, no cap. You can see your boy got the Infiniti Q50, you know what I'm saying? Yo, so I'm gonna do like a little tour for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Not nothing too crazy, but it's a little crazy, you feel me? So we gonna come over here, you know what I'm saying? So we got like the front, you know what I'm saying? We got the grill going on, you feel me? Shit, that's like the crazy part of the whip right here, you know what I'm saying? Listen, like this shit's gonna pull the baddies, you feel me? This is gonna pull the baddies, yo, no cap, bro. So you already know the vibes. The sides, man, not nothing too crazy, you feel me? We gonna get the tints real soon. You say shit, we gonna be riding dark. We gonna get the tints real soon, so stay tuned for the update, you know what I'm saying? So we got like the back, you feel me? On God, man. Your boy had to get like the gray body, you know what I'm saying? That shit looking hard, yo, no cap. And we gonna get to the inside, you know what I'm saying? So we got the little inside right here, you feel me? Spacious, pretty cool. The cool little ivory, we got the ivory going on and shit like that, you know what I'm saying? Gray mats, all that shit, man. And we gonna get to the front type shit. The front be lit, yo. The front be lit. We got like the full front right there, the dash, wheels, all that shit, you feel me? You already know the vibes, man. Shit. We got that digital dash, you know what I'm saying? Like Drake said on that digital dash.
A little push to start.
Yeah, sir. Oh yeah, you're gonna have a seat right here, yo. So I'm gonna show you how this shit operates, bruh. And you feel me? We taking this shit to the inside, you know what I'm saying? So you see we got the double screen and shit like that. Wheels, all that, you feel me? Oh, let's bring it down over here. So we got this little middle part right here. The carbon fiber. That's that carbon fiber shit, you feel me? You already know the vibes, man. Watch, listen, bro. Where the key at? I don't see no key. Hold up. Oh shit. That push to start, nigga. Yo, this how you know niggas is upgrading out here, man. On God, bro. Shit, and you can see we got the double screen, like I said, bro. You feel me? We got like the clock, calendar. You know those vibes. Nice. But we gotta shut that off though. Hey, we not trying to get copyrighted, you know what I'm saying? Shit. And then we gonna bring it to like the front of the dash, you feel me? So got like the, hold up, let's zoom in on that real quick. So we got like the little middle part, the temp, mileage and shit like that. Mileage is a little high. I am gonna say this is a pre-owned, you feel me? But your boy got this for a deal. But this shit look new though, I ain't gonna cap, bro. And then we got like the meter and shit like that. I wish this shit was like digital on here instead of like the circle shit. You feel me? But I mean, hey, it is what it is, man. But this whip, bro, I tell you, bro, this shit so fast, yo. I'm just gassing on the highway, no cap.
Don't hit me, nigga.
Man,
Don't
this how
hit
we
me.
gassing on these niggas.
Oh shit, bro.
No cap, bro. Shit, I'm smoking you niggas in a race, bro. Oh God, no cap. And we can show them a little bit over here, the dash, little dashboard and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I know some people fuck with this too. We got the little sunroof joint over here too. You feel me? So summertime, you already know the vibes with that, man. So shit, we getting that fresh air from the top. You feel me? A little more of the back seat. You know what I'm saying? You know what the fuck we got going on, man. Boy just fucked up some Wendy's, you know what I'm saying? Hey, your boy just finished that little strawberry lemonade, man. You know the vibes of that, man. You feel me? Yeah, shit, not too much really. It's like a calm little car review, you know what I'm saying? But this is some lit shit, you know what I'm saying? This is how we kicking shit this year, man. Oh God. I know some of y'all seen this. It's not really like anything too special because it's like an Infiniti, you feel me? Even though we still getting the Beamer, you know what I'm saying? But not nothing too crazy. But for me, like this is like a huge upgrade from the last shit I was driving. You feel what I'm saying, man? Yeah, man. We just going crazy. This is how we kicking shit 2023, bro. So this motivation for the youth, bro. Listen, you gotta get on your grind, man. Get on your grind. You go get some nice shit like this. You feel me? Shit. Turn the camera on. I forgot to show this part of the vid, yo. What? Hold up. Some features, yo. Yeah.
On the screen?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, you know how it's like winter? Oh yeah, point it to me. You know how it's like winter time and shit like that, and you get it in your car, the steering wheel's all cold and shit like that. Yo, look, I'm gonna show y'all over here. I'm gonna put y'all on, bro. Look, we gonna hit the climate button. We got steering heaters, yo. Steering heaters, bro. Yo, so that means, yo, this steering wheel here, this shit finna be heated up, bro. You already know. This shit finna be heated up, so we not gonna have no cold hands out here. You feel me? Shit, we just gonna be toasty one on here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I will say though, but I ain't gonna cap, bro. Cause I got this shit. This shit gonna be expensive as fuck. Expensive as fuck to take care of. With the maintenance, bills, car notes, all that shit. So, y'all niggas better watch all the ads. Y'all gotta watch all the ads, bro. So I can make that money back. But your boy dropped a bag on this shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, other than that, man, yo, that's how we kicking shit over here, man. So, man, this like the car tour 2023 Infiniti Q50. You already know the vibes. Let's give them like one last look outside, yo. One last look outside type shit. Let's give them like that 360 type shit. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get me like a thumbnail too while I'm at it. Yes, sir. I'm glad it's not even like too dark right now, type shit. But yeah, guys, that's the review right there. You know what I'm saying? So we going crazy this 2023, no cap, man. I got all types of bangers coming for y'all. So hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel for more future videos, turn on post notifications just so y'all don't miss a single video. And it's your boy ColWorld TV signing out. Peace.
Hey, pipe up, Rich.
I don't give no fuck. I don't give no fuck. I don't give no fuck, bitch. I don't give no fuck. How can I give a fuck?